in a foreign is all the way down in Kendall or South Miami, and I'm visiting the world famous El Palacio De Los Jugos or Jugo, which is pretty much the juice palace. Trust me, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna take you on a tour and make you see what this place has to offer. Famous in that, you know, almost every Food Network star and blogger who comes to Miami visits here, and as you can see, them have all the different types of juices. Place is very nice. All right, you can get fresh juices, yeah, all different types of fresh juices to buy, and it's pretty much a restaurant, but it has a whole mess of other stuff as well, and the menu is extensive, which I'm going to show you. You can get fresh fruits, yeah, fresh fruits to buy, fresh breads, grains, different stuff of Hispanic nature. Right here they have honey. You can get honey, and this is bee pollen. This is peanut nuggets. Just showing you, this is the juice station in here, and this is cool avocados. Let me show you. I'm just walking around. See, fresh coconut. Can get to buy. In here is where they have the food, and I just want to show you, folks. This is where the food starts. All different type of authentic Hispanic dishes. Here, I mean, I don't even know the names of some of them, but there is a lot. I promise you, there's a lot. See? I can't, if I were to tell you the names of all of these, I would be lying. All right? Yuca, pork, black rice, steak, chicken. I tried this, and this is awesome. This is chicharron, and we had some of the ham, and we had some of the freshly fried plantain chips. We have pork here, and so the prices are very reasonable, and I promise you the amount of food that you get in the container is it's awesome. Look, let me just show you. Let me just show you. The amount of food that they serve is crazy. I mean, I can't explain how much food you get per order. I'm gonna buy some stuff, but I'll definitely keep you updated and let you know what is happening here next. All right, so we'll buy some food. All right, look on one food. Me just show you one food. This is one food, you know. Look over there, sir. Look at the amount of food over there, sir. Oh, yeah. Ladies and gentlemen. And the chips, you see the plant chips, so it are intelligent, very intelligent. See the whole place? Nice, man. Nice. El Palacio, El Jugo, or Juso, or whatever you want name. Nice. Where's the youth? El Palacio. Watch a big old arm the way Simone buy. My where I the plate for? Is very, very astronomous. Look on the plate of food there, right? As well. Watch out.
Thank you.
Watch out, ladies and gentlemen. Watch a little boy plate. And him now wait, him just a dive in. And no, I mean, it's as I said, it's Eh? Where?
No, for me.
Oh.
You're very antagonist.
Very antagonist. This is Spanish sausage when you chorizo, yeah, chorizo. It tastes good. I want to cry. So that's my visit to El Palacio De Jugo, De Juso. I'm gonna buy drinks next. Right there, 56th Street, Southeast 56th Street in Miami. Southeast. Oh, Southwest, them say. And that means a long time. All right. Watch it. Thank you. Some smoothie. How is it, Josh? It's good? What flavor did you get?
Mango.
So you get the same thing too? So why you get the same thing that Joshua got?
So it tastes good.
Because it tastes good. All right. And your mommy got coconut water? I'm gonna go get coconut water too. So this is, as I said, folks, this is what it is. It's so beautiful. So we have food. It's like we're not eating nothing. Look there. Watch it. It's like we're not eating nothing. No. It's like we're not eating nothing. You understand? And I promise you, if you come here, you will enjoy it. The food is relatively inexpensive, and it's generally good. All right. So join me again on one more of my road trips. This is Yardie Belly in Foreign, and this is South Miami at El Palacio El Juso.